A candlestick shows the price movement of a stock in a given time frame. It has four key parts: open, close, high, and low. The open is where the price starts, and the close is where it ends. The high is the maximum price reached, shown by the upper wick. And the low is the minimum price, shown by the lower wick. If the close is higher than the open, the candle is green. And if the close is lower, the candle is red. Together, these 4 points tell us the full story of price action. A doji forms when the open price and close price are almost the same. This means buyers and sellers both tried, but at the end neither could win. So, the doji represents indecision in the market. When a doji appears after a strong uptrend or downtrend, it can indicate a possible trend reversal. But sometimes, it can also show continuation. Which is why confirmation with the next candle is very important. Traders should never trade only on a doji, but always check the trend, support, resistance levels, and volume before making a decision. The hammer candle usually forms after a downtrend. It has a small body at the top and a long lower shadow. This shows that sellers pushed the price down, but buyers came back strongly, indicating a possible trend reversal. The inverted hammer also appears after a downtrend. It has a small body at the bottom and a long upper shadow. This means buyers are trying to enter the market, giving us an early hint of reversal. But remember, both patterns need confirmation from the next candle before entering a trade. The Marubozu candle is very easy to recognize, because it has no wicks or shadows, only a full body. A bullish Marubozu is a long green candle, showing strong buying pressure and control by the bulls. On the other hand, a bearish Marubozu is a long red candle, which indicates strong selling pressure and dominance of the bears. This candle shows clear market sentiment, either full strength of buyers or full strength of sellers, with almost no hesitation in between. The shooting star candle usually forms after a strong uptrend. It has a small body at the bottom and a long upper shadow. This shows that buyers tried to push the price higher, but sellers came back with strong pressure, forcing the price down. It is considered a powerful trend reversal signal from bullish to bearish. But just like other patterns, traders should always wait for confirmation from the next candle before taking a position. The spinning top candle has a small body in the middle and long wicks on both sides. This pattern shows that buyers pushed the price up and sellers pushed it down. But in the end, the closing price stayed close to the opening price. It signals indecision in the market. Neither buyers nor sellers are in full control. When a spinning top appears after a strong trend, it can indicate a possible pause or reversal in the market movement.